It says, "And the angel Anahiel continued, and I began to hear marvelous sounds that my heart delights in hearing, because I love the truth of Enoch said. And I heard the sounds of life, and I said, what is the importance for you of these sounds?" And Anahiel said, "Sounds in creation are the principal guiding force that fully motivates all of us Orkadeshi, and being a listener, I am especially sensitive to sounds. So now, I will teach you about sounds. And there are sounds of life and sounds of death. Both cause us to feel deeply, either rejoicing or sorrowing. And we fully intend to act decisively on behalf of the children of Enoch when we hear the sounds of death.